Hello friends, welcome back to chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Well, in last lecture we have discussed some important concept of chapter number 4, quadratic equation. The first concept was the general formula of a quadratic equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, B, C belongs to R and the necessary condition is A is not equal to 0. Then we have discussed solution of a quadratic equation. The value of x which satisfy the equation, that value of x is known as solution of a quadratic equation. Now how to find out the quadratic equation? How to find out the solution of a quadratic equation? There are main three methods to find the solution of a quadratic equation. The first one is factorization, factor method. Second one is completing square method. And third one is formula method, or you can say delta method. Well, then we have discussed the formula method. There are main 4 steps to solve a quadratic equation to find out the solution. The first step is find out A, B, C from given quadratic equation. Then find out the value of delta. Delta means discriminant. The formula of delta is b square minus 4ac. Now from this delta you can find out the nature of the roots. If delta less than 0 means negative, you can't get a root in real number. Similarly, if delta is equal to 0, 2 equal roots are there. And if delta greater than 0, we get 2 different real roots, either rational or irrational root. Then we have discussed exercise number 4.1, first example. Check whether the following equations are quadratic equation or not. We have solved 7 examples in question number 1 of exercise number 4.1. Now let me start question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Here there is no need to solve this quadratic equation. Just you have to prepare a quadratic equation. From the situation you have to prepare a quadratic equation. So first of all, let me read this situation. The area of a rectangle plot is 528 meters square. So area is equal to 528 meters square, and plot is given to you, rectangular plot is given to you, and you know this is your length and this one is your breadth. This is denoted by L and breadth is denoted by B. The length of a plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. One relation is given to you. Length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So assume, suppose breadth is equal to x meter. Therefore, length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So 1 more than twice its breadth. So in this rectangle, length is 2x plus 1, breadth is x, and area is given to you. And you have to prepare a quadratic equation. Now you should know the area of rectangle. We have already studied area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here what is given to you? Area is equal to 528, means length means 2x plus 1 into breadth means x is equal to 528. So we can write 2x square plus x. If you take 528 from right hand side to left hand side, it become minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is your final answer. So your final answer is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. So the first example, you should know the area of a rectangle, that is L and B. Length is given in the form of breadth, and that's why I assume breadth is equal to x. Therefore length is equal to 2x plus 1. Then multiply and you will find one equation in the form of x. But here you should know the area of a rectangle, and that is length into breadth. Now let me start second example of question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Consecutive number. You know 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 9 and 10, they are known as consecutive number. So you have to assume, suppose two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Let me take x is equal to 5. So this become 5 and this become 5 plus 1, 6. So they are consecutive number. Let me take 17. So 17 and 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. Again they are consecutive number. So when two consecutive numbers are given to you, you have to assume x and x plus 1. Now what is given to you? Product of these two consecutive numbers is 306. Product is equal to 306. Therefore x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and that's why it is known as quadratic equation. So here you should know how to assume when two or three consecutive numbers are given to you. Consecutive numbers are given, you have to assume two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. Well, now third example of question number 2. Age related problems. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years from now will be 360. Their ages is 3 years from now, means after 3 years. So here you have to, first of all, you have to assume the present age of Rohan and his mother. So suppose Rohan's age is equal to x years. Therefore, his mother's age is x plus 26 years. Here we are talking about present age. Because one relationship is given to you, the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So here you have to find out the age after 3 years, and that's why first of all you have to assume present age of Rohan as well as his mother. So we have assumed that the Rohan's age, present age is x years, and that's why his mother's age is x plus 26 years, because in the first line it is given that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So Rohan's age is x, so his mother's age is x plus 26. Now, after 3 years, Rohan's age is x plus 3 years. Similarly, his mother's age is, before, in present age at x plus 26 plus 3 years. So this become x plus 29. So the present Rohan's age is x years. In present, his mother's age is x plus 26. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3, while his mother age will be x plus 29. Now the product of their ages. So first one is x plus 3, second one is x plus 29, and is equal to 360. Now multiply it. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 3 ja 9 3 ja 27, 2 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8 87, then minus 370 is equal to 0. So x square plus 29 plus 3 means 32x, and 370 minus 87, 370 minus 87, this become 3, this become 6 and 16, this is 8, and this become 2, so it is 283, and minus 283 is equal to 0. So your equation is x square plus 32x minus 283 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation. So in question number 3, the age related questions are given to you. Rohan's mother is 26 here. So Rohan age is x, his mother is x plus 26. After 3 years, the Rohan's age will be x plus 3, mother will be x plus 29, and the product of their ages, product is 360. Then solve this equation, multiply and divide, you will get your answer. Well, now let me start example number 4. Only 4 examples are given in the question number 2, that is represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Now, very important example. You have already studied all this thing in 9th standard science chapter number motion, and that is speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So you can write time is equal to distance upon speed. You have to use this concept of science in this example to prepare a quadratic equation. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore, time is equal to, we can say, distance upon speed. Now, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Suppose uniform speed of a train. Uniform speed of a train is x kilometer per hour. Speed is given to you. Speed is given to you. Distance is also given, that is 480. So the time taken to cover distance is equal to distance upon speed. So it is 480 upon x hours, because time is measured in hours. Here distance is given to you 480. Speed, we have assumed that the uniform speed of a train is x kilometer per hour. So the distance covered by a train at the speed of x kilometer per hour to cover a 480 kilometer distance is the time required is 480 upon x hours. Now read the second sentence. If the speed has been 8 kilometer hour less, then it would take 3 hours more. So now the uniform speed become x minus 8 kilometer per hour. See, if the speed has been 8 kilometer per hour less than its usual speed, when the uniform speed become x minus 8. So the time taken to cover 480 kilometer distance at the speed of x minus 8 kilometer per hour is 480 upon x minus 8 hours. So here speed is less in second case, that is x minus 8. So time taken by the train to cover 480 kilometer distance at the speed of x minus 8 is larger than the time taken by a train to cover 480 kilometer distance at the speed of x kilometer per hour. So T2 is greater than T1. So the difference is 3 hours. See, the less than, it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So difference between 2 is 3 hours. So distance, so 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to 3. Because this is time taken when speed is less. This one is T1. T1 means time taken when speed is more. So the difference between these two is 3 hours. Now you have to cross multiply and find out the value, and you have to prepare one equation. So 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to 3. Let me cross multiply. So 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 upon x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. See, this is cross multiplication. 480x minus 480 into bracket x minus 8 upon LCM x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. So 480x minus 480x minus plus 480 so 0 64 6 36 is equal to 3, and the denominator is x square minus 8x. Again 480x minus become plus 800 8 just 64 and 6 8 4 just 32 plus 6 38 800 8 just 64 and 6 8 4 just 32 plus 6 38 3840. Now cross multiply. You can cancel this. So you get 3840 is equal to 3 into x square minus 8x. So when you multiply this, so you get 3x square minus 8 3 24x is equal to 3840. So the equation become 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0, and this is your quadratic equation. 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Well, so in this period we have completed very important question, that is how to prepare equation from content is given to you, problem is given to you, explanation is given to you. From this explanation, from this problem sum, how to prepare a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first we have solve example related to area of the rectangle, and you should know the formula, that is length into breadth. In second example, we have discussed regarding the conjugative two numbers, the product is 306. Similarly, third one is age related problem, age of Rohan as well as his mother is given to you, and you have to prepare one quadratic equation. And the last, fourth is very important, and that is distance related problem. You know one formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Here time equation you have to prepare. So time is equal to distance upon speed. The difference of time is given to, that is 3. Find out the difference, cross multiply it, and then you can convert the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Well, so with this we have completed exercise number 4.1. So in next class we will solve exercise number 4.2. Thank you friends. Thank you.